best AI application out there today. I'm showing you guys how to use this application here like a pro. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Nothing hard for you to not understand. As you can see, these are some AI generated photos and videos that other people have created. So you can also tap on their profile to pretty much go ahead and follow them if you do want to follow them. And also you can see other prompts that they have used and pretty much created their video and other things that they have created if they made those public. So that's pretty much it for that. And the home section here, nothing much, just the same thing. The discovery option here pretty much can see basically anything that anyone has generated pretty much. So at the top here you can go ahead and search, let's say someone that you know on this application that does generate AI photos or images. Very good, and you want to give them a follow, or you just want to check up on them, you can go ahead and search for their username at the top there. So very easy to use, and down here pretty much you can ask the AI anything. Hey, so I'm just gonna enter something random, as you can see here, something like that. But anyways, this is pretty much what I asked the AI. And the plus icon here, I can either upload a photo from my gallery, I can upload files, however, and a camera option which can take a picture. And down here you have the voice option which can send a voice note if you don't want to type. Can't bother with typing, can send a voice note. So that's pretty much it for that there. And that's it. So once you're done, I pretty much can ask the AI anything, guys. So if you tap on these three lines here, you can share their posts, block the person who have generated this video, or even you can just tap on the video that they have generated and you can see what other people have commented on the video and said. You yourself can also go on the comment section and comment as well. Can leave a like on the video as well. So that's pretty much it for that. There you can download it, however, so do keep that in mind. So this section here is pretty much where you're going to see your history and pretty much everything that you have asked the AI. If I stop on, if I long press it, you pretty much can delete it as well. So if you want to delete any history that you have created with this application, then just long press it, tap on delete, you're pretty much good to go. So in the notification option, nothing much, just information that you have received from the application. And here you can add the glasses. I'm not sure how they do add the glasses to the application, but it looks pretty much simple. You just tap on add device, and it should be a pairing option. I'm not sure, guys, but yeah, maybe in the future I'll review and how to add the glasses to this application here. But that's pretty much it for that. There's really no subscription type that I've seen for this application. When you purchase a subscription, I haven't seen that part or anything like that. But you can really generate videos as well. You can do that. So yeah, so very simple application to use. If I miss anything at all, please comment below. I would gladly love to assist you. Well, that's it, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.